Beach.
Beach. Sahil.
A sandy area near the sea where people relax.
Sand.
Sand. Ret.
Small grains you find on the beach floor.
Waves.
Waves. Lehrein.
Moving water on the sea's surface.
Shell.
Shell. Sadaf.
Hard covering of a sea creature, found on beaches.
Lifeguard.
Lifeguard. Muhafiz-e-Sahil.
A person who keeps people safe at the beach.
Towel.
Towel. Taulia.
Used to dry yourself after swimming.
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Chhatri.
Gives shade from the sun.
Flip-flops.
Flip-flops. Chappal.
Light sandals for walking on the beach.
Swimsuit.
Swimsuit. Tiraki ka libas.
Clothes for swimming.
Surfboard.
Surfboard.
A board used for surfing waves.
Sunblock.
Sunblock. धूप से बचाव की क्रीम.
Protects skin from the sun's rays.
Cooler.
कूलर. ठंडा रखने का डब्बा.
Keeps food and drinks cold.
Seagull.
Seagull. समंदरी बगला.
A bird often seen near the sea.
Pier.
Pier. Ghat.
A platform going out into the sea.
Tide.
Tide. जज़र व मद.
The regular rise and fall of the sea.